Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. In this session we have to see class 4 subject science. The topic name is teeth and microbes. This last session we saw that 2 set of teeth and then 4 types of the permanent teeth like that. No, today we have to see the structure of the tooth. How many parts are there the tooth? Okay. See, the parts of your tooth. Clear? The parts of tooth. See, this is your tooth. No, tooth means it is the singular, means it is tooth. You know that no, plural means it is called the teeth. Is it? This tooth having 3 parts. What? How many? 3 parts is there in the tooth. We can say the 3 parts. What are they? First one is the crown, and then second one is the neck part. Third one is the root part. So, how many parts are there? The crown, the neck and then root. So, your tooth has 3 parts. Your tooth has 3 parts. What are they? Crown and then neck and then root. Clear? See, the crown is seen above the gum. The crown is there, no? This crown is seen above the gum. Gum means our socket is there, no? While we smile, we can see the white part, that is the dentin, no? Below the dentin, we can see here some red color things, is the small soft muscle is there, no? That is called the gum. So, this crown is seen above the gum. So, the tooth are fixed into the gum. Then, the root remains inside the gum. This is the root part, no? The root part means blood vessels and nerve cells will be there. How a tree having, it is the tree, no? This tree having the root, no? This true fixed with the soil. So the whole part of the tree is hold with the help of the root. The root is fixed with the soil particles. That's why the trees are very strong, as well as our teeth also fixed in the root part. This root part having the blood vessels and nerve vessels, okay, nerve cells, so they are very strong. Then, apart from the 3 part, we can again say the many other parts is also there in the tooth. What are they means? First one is the enamel, dentine, pulp, gum. So, these 4 parts also there in the tooth. How many parts? 4 parts. What is that? First one is the enamel. Next one is the dentine. Third one is the pulp. Fourth one is gum. Okay. So, you have to see this 4. First one is the enamel part. What is enamel? You know that, no? Actually, it is the outer cover of our part. See, while we buy the chocolate means it will wrap one cover, no. The chocolate will be present inside the wrap, no. Why? Because the wrapper help to keep the chocolate safe from the dusters like that, no. As well as our tooth also covered on a cover. This outer cover is called the enamel. The outer cover, it is covered with a cover. The outer cover is called enamel. See, you know that this enamel is the very hardest substance in our body. You know that the enamel is the very hardest substance in our body. Clear? Actually, it is a cover, outer cover only for our teeth. Okay. Then, next one is the dentine. What is dentine? See, dentine means, I told that our teeth is covered, the outer cover, no. The cover means something will be there in the inside the cover, no. That thing is called the dentine. Actually, we can see the white teeth, no. That is called the dentine. Clear? See, this is the dentine. We can see here, no. This is dentine. See, this dentine also very hardest substance. They are also very hardest substance in our body. Clear? Next one, pulp. Inside the dentine is the bulb. It is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. See, we can see here, no, it is the dentine part. Inside the dentine part we can see the thing, no, it is called the pulp. It is called the pulp. Actually in the pulp only having the blood vessels and nerve vessels. Clear? Then it is present, where they present? Inside the dentine. Inside the dentine is called the pulp. Next one we can say gum. What is that? Gum. See, the nerves are connected to the gum through a hole in the root. We saw that it is the root part. It is the root part. In the gum is there. No, gum means I told no, the socket we are covering one thing, or the red color thing we can see in the socket, no, that is called the gum. This gum only having the root part. It has this through the hole, the blood vessels and nerve vessels are connected through the gum part and added in the what is the pulp. The pulp is actually a soft material. Okay, so this is the structure of our tooth. See, while we eating some things, first our tooth will affected with the enamel coat like that. We have to see that. See, care of our tooth, care of our teeth. See, we saw there types of and structure of teeth. No, how should we keep care our teeth means, if we take good care of our teeth, we can save them from the decaying. If we care means we can save this teeth from the decaying. We sometimes we feel very pain in our teeth. No, this is called the tooth decay. Okay, see how should we how they are for spoil, how the tooth decaying happening means, while we are eating some things as we are eating, no, they will be stuck in between the tooth. In between the tooth, the gap is there, the minute gap is there, no. If you are eating some foods, they will stuck in between the teeth. If they stuck means what will happen? After the sometimes some microbes will grow on there. What are the microbes? Bacteria. We are getting the bad smell from our mouth, no. This is the reason bacteria are growing on this food. Okay. See, bits of food that remain stuck in the teeth can cause the growth of bacteria. If your night you had some food, say heavy food, the food particles always while we eating, always food particle will stuck in between the gap. It will be remain, the stuck food is remain in the same place, mean what will happen? Bacteria will be grown on that place. If the bacteria is growing, what will happen if the bacteria is growing means, first they attack the enamel. If they are growing there means they producing the acidity, and this acid will decay. First it attack the enamel coat. What is enamel? Actually it is the outer cover, no. If the outer cover will damage means it is easily can attack the inside of the teeth. Okay, first they attack this outer cover will be spoiled with the bacteria. Okay, so then they make a sticky coating. While we wake up in the morning, we can feel some sticky things will be there in our mouth. No, we are feeling some sticky things. No, actually it is called the plaque. It is called the plaque. This is the reason while we get up, we are brushing our mouth, because the sticky things is, you know, how they are forming means at night we are eating some things is, no. These things will stuck. They are, this food bits will be stuck in between. In the food bit, bacteria will grow there. This bacteria secreting like this sticky things, it is the plaque. Okay. Next one, then they attack the dentine, finally the pulp. See, first they attack the outer cover, first they destroy the outer cover, then they reach the dentine. Dentine is the second layer, no. So they then attack the dentine. After that slowly they enter inside the pulp. Inside the pulp. We saw their pulp is very soft substance, as well as it has the nerve cells also, nerve cells and then blood vessels is there, no. While this bacteria reaching this pulp, and then pulp means that time only we are getting the pain from our teeth. See, when the bacteria reaches the nerves within the pulp, they causes the pain. See that? See, they slowly enter to the pulp. This pulp having the blood vessels and then nerve cells. So, we are getting the pain if they are attacking this pulp part. Clear? Then tooth, after that, okay, what will happen if the tooth will get the degain, means what will happen means it give a lot of the trouble to us. What are the troubles? First we are getting the severe pain in our mouth. After that it give that bad breath. See, we can see somebody speaking with very close near to us means we can feel that a bad smell from their mouth. No, this is the reason for that tooth decay. And then next one is the cavities. Cavities means we can observe some holes will be there in our tooth. No, this is that cavity, tooth cavity. And then toothache. Toothache means they attacking the root vessels. The root will be affected means we get the severe pain from the tooth. And then bleeding gums. Bleeding gums means we are sometimes we are getting the, while we bite or brushing means we can get the blood from our socket. No, that is the bleeding gum. And then it also cause the indigestion. It also cause indigestion. This is the result if you are attacking the tooth decay. So, we have to care our teeth. Okay, next one, what type of food are good for our teeth? What type of the foods are good for our teeth? We saw that teeth are very important. They help us in many ways. And then how they are spoiling, we saw that. No, so we have to keep our teeth as a safe. No, how we are safe means we have to eat some food that this food materials having the rich content for keep our teeth safe. Okay, what are they? First one is the calcium. First one is the calcium, and the next one is the vitamin C. Okay, calcium and vitamin C are important for healthy teeth and healthy gums. Healthy teeth and healthy gums. First one is calcium. Calcium rich sources food. What are they means? Milk, egg, cheese, cottage cheese means and then butter, like these things is having totally the dairy products having the lot of the calcium. This calcium gives the healthy teeth and healthy gums to us. Okay, apart from this we can get this things as vitamin C also. Vitamin C things as, what is that? Orange, guava, papaya, tomato, and then green leafy vegetables, spinach like cabbage. Like this food materials we can get the vitamin C. Okay, what are the food materials? Orange, guava, papaya, greeny vegetables. Greeny vegetables means this cabbage and then cauliflower, like these things is having the lot of the vitamin C. So, these food materials keep our teeth and then gums healthy. Then tips for keep our teeth safe. How to keep our teeth safe? See, they given some tips is here. See, first we have to keep our teeth safe means first we have to brush 2 times a day. How many times? 2 times. When we have to brush 2 times means every morning we have wake up, no, this time we have to brush our mouth, because I told already the bit food particles will be stuck in the tooth, they cause the bacteria will grow, they giving the sticky things plug. So, while we brushing we can remove that plug from our mouth. Okay, and then at night before going to bed we have to brush, because we are adding lot of the eating the many things is no, these things is will be stuck remain in the teeth. While we brush we can remove all the remain food particles, so bacteria cannot grow in the teeth. So, we should brush 2 times, okay, morning as well as before going to bed. So, 2 times we have to brush our teeth. Next one, make sure that you move your brush upwards and downwards. While we are brushing, we should brush upwards and downwards, and as well as keep the inside also, because we are doing the upwards downwards means in between the tooth particles some stuck things is no, it will be removed easily. So we should brush, while we brushing you should make sure you should brush upwards and downwards. Clear? Next one, we should use a dental floss to keep clean between two teeth. Okay, see here, it is the dental floss. Dental floss means like a small thin things is like a thread like things is we are using. While we keep inside the in between the teeth means the stuck things and bacteria can remove easily from there. So this is the reason we have to use this dental floss. Okay, next one, wash your mouth after every meals. What are the things we are eating after that? At the second we have to wash, rinse your mouth. If you are rinse while drinking some water and rinse your mouth means the stuck food particles will may throw out from our mouth. Okay, what are the things is either snacks or everything, what are the things is you eat, you should rinse your mouth, it will be clean your teeth. Then next one, do not have too many sweets and colas. Colas means what is that, the cool drinks like that. The cool items will easily can attack our dental and then that enamel coat. Okay, so we should avoid that colas as well as the sweets. Sweets means the chocolate like these things is easily can attack our teeth. So we should avoid like the sweets and colas. Apart from this, often we should make a dental checkup with our doctors, family doctors like that. We have to take the checkup often. Okay, that's why we can find out any fault is there in our mouth. We can get the treatment at before. So we have to make a checkup often. Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button. We will receive our latest updates. Thank you.